Here the question is, Karma conducted an experiment on osmosis using a potato stripe and provided a recorded data. Refer the data and answer the following questions. Now, the table the data imbe recorded data imbe. So first of all, the potato stripe the nalu. So on the setup imbe setup A B C setup comes to do sum do 3 setups, and the potato stripe the initial length was 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Then we have a different concentration of salt solution imbe. They are 1%, 5%, 10%. Then the final length of potato stripe was 4.5, 4 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. So analu main setup the beaker comes denu 3 setup do 3 setup 1 2 3 setup do 3 setup. Then on the setup A, setup B, setup C me the beaker ki we have a different concentration of salt. We have different salt concentration inside the beaker. So on the first ki A ki 1% concentration de. So setup B has a 5% and setup C has 10% concentration of salt. So we have potato stripes the 3 potato stripes solo 3 potato stripes. Then आने की length कम चाहिए में 5 centimeter in length. So and the immerse bay lo potato stripes the immerse bay hema initial the comes the 5 centimeter 5 centimeter 5 centimeter dino setup sum charana 5 centimeter dino. Potato stripe was immersed in a 1% salt concentration. Then and next potato stripe was immersed in a 5% but 5% salt concentration, and lastly one stripe potato was immersed in a 10% salt concentration. So now the final length in the setup A was 4.5 centimeter. 1% naludi 4.5 centimeter hinu dele 5% naludi 4 centimeter decrease chasunu dele 10% naludi 3.5 centimeter nalu decrease chasunu. The question ki kasile me question number 1, why do you think the size of the potato stripe decrease? So analu de kasibenu dani the beaker imbe me. So beaker na analu kasidu salt to salt concentration. The salt concentration already potato stripe loilo me potato stripe chuilo me yeah, and the solution already salt solution yani the salt solution me and the potato me. Now the salt concentration the high do as the surrounding cell has higher concentration of salt compared to the inside the cell. Now kasibiu and the potato stripe now the kasibiu water will move out of the cell tuga and the length of the potato decrease asino tuga. The size of the potato stripe was decreased due to the outward movement of water, also known as exosmosis tuga. So question number 2, the how can you increase the size of the potato stripes? By immersing in a distilled water nalu tuga distilled water nalu immerse bego cell kadebe example the bikari the distilled water lui lo me distilled water lui the the potato stripe the chui me potato stripe the kasibu the water will move, the distilled water will move into the cell, into the potato, thereby the size of potato will increase. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thank you.